and I'm so excited to be in your school because I love children and I like to do art with children and people. So, does anyone know what is collage mean? What's collage? Do you like collage?
Yes,
Why do you like it?
Because it is.
She wants to tell you why she likes collage. Yes.
Because it is a kind of story which is displayed through the photos of ours, some text, some writing, some description, which makes it look so attractive, and it reminds us of all the memories in one photo. Otherwise, we have to see all the photos.
Exactly.
Yes,
you can put it together.
Yes.
You don't throw everything to the garbage. You keep pieces and you think, wow. Does anyone need help?
Yes.
You can glue it, collage it.
Stay here and do more work.
My mom and my father and mother.
You enjoy?
Yes.
our school,
Yeah.
and I am teaching here, and this is the root of my life actually.
Beautiful.
My life root is my institute. And
Beautiful.